What up, fam? And let me straighten y'all up. What up, fam? And welcome back to the vlog. So today we are going to be doing a multi-establishment clothing haul for some things that we were able to procure for Black Friday, some items that Babe bought me for my birthday. Between these stores, we have Rack Room Shoes, Amazon, A Children's Place, and $6 t-shirts. Age before beauty, right? So we're gonna get myself out of the way. We have 10 shirts from $6 t-shirt, 0 days without sarcasm. Bae said kind of accurate. I can explain to you, but I can't understand it for you. Stress Blessed.
And that's your first time.
I like that one. I like this one. This is my first time seeing this one, period. And I've been on the site, so this is a new one. Thanks, dear. We've got, I found this humorous. I did find this humorous.
I tried to get one that I thought were you.
Made in the 80s, crack baby. Your idea of me is not my responsibility to live up to. Too many times in society, we sit and we allow people's perceptions of us to mold who we are. This shirt says, don't do that. Yeah, Papa Bear, I got a lot of cubs. Whole lot of cubs. I'ma let that slide. This first one I had to go under. I figured out when I saw this omelet slide, and I'ma let that slide. I don't let very much slide, but we might. Let's talk about it. Taco Tuesday shirt.
Yep.
Yes sir, yes sir. Now we gotta get you one to match. That's it, that's all for me, y'all. Now let's go on to the kids. That's what y'all here for, ain't it? Oh, well, the shirts. They got me 1, 2, 3 pair of Wranglers. From Amazon as well. Now, where his stuff at? I'm on the hunt, I'm on the prowl. Here's stuff for my child. Now, for done, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 pair of jogging pants. Now let's get on to the rest of the kids. I'm excited about it. I'm more excited about their stuff.
Where it came from.
Everything that you're gonna see as far as clothing wise from here forward is Rack Room Shoes. I mean, Rack Room Shoes, A Children's Place.
You gotta pick it up. You gotta lay it out.
Okay, word. Let me come back. So, what you're about to see before you is from the Children's Place for the children. This one, and this one, they all glow in the dark, y'all. Now, let's go back over here and start over fresh from the list. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 sleepers. So everybody got something to be around the house in, cause they like these foot in, oh, these ain't foot in jammies.
They too big, baby.
That don't mean they what they want. We can get foot in pajamas, can't we? So,
I think so.
yeah, we can. Now, we got the boys outgrew all of their shoes that we got them on the last clothing haul that you guys have yet to see. So that's gonna be a lost files footage. Oh.
No, they already saw it.
Oh, well. Let me be quiet.
The last Children's Place haul, or the last time y'all saw us shopping in the Children's Place, those clothes we brought in April.
Oh, I don't know. Well, we can delete that clip then. So we got them 2 new pair of shoes because they both have grown out of all of their shoes that we purchased them. We got some pants, double sevens, because the boys are going into 7s and out of the T's. Got them a few Santa's t-shirts. Got them some matching t-shirts because they always seem to want to wear what the other one has on. So to nip that in the bud, we just gonna get you your own off rip. And they like dinosaurs, so oh, weekend dude. And then you got dabbing Santa over here. Mary Dabmas and the Flossing Claws. Then we got Don. A few items as well. Got him some jeans, but he had a lot of jeans the boys grew out of that he grew into. So then we got him 18-month. Got him a few t-shirts. He liked dinosaurs too, so he's a Dudosaurus Rex. And got him another pair of pants. I am. It is what it is. C'est la vie. We are done with the clothing haul, baby. So sadly, we have come to that point in the video where we must let you guys go. Although it was a little choppy, the lighting was all over the place because I was standing in front of the ring light. It is what it is. We are working with confined space. We hope you enjoyed the clothing haul that we brought you on Vlogmas Day 5. Let us know in the description box. Let us know in the description box. Let us know in the comment section down below what other kind of videos that you guys may want to see for Vlogmas, so that we can possibly oblige, because we're just playing it by ear and we're winging it here. So give us your input. Till next time, guys. Love you. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Be the life for someone else to emulate, because you never know what your kind of words and gestures could do for someone else today.
Now that the food and formalities are out the way.
This woman said informality.
I said food and formalities.
Oh.
I said now that the food and formalities are out the way.
I thought you said informalities. I said wow.
I said now that the food and formalities are out the way. Could open the package for me. I won't break my nails.
I see somebody
on the camera
that has some sneak to do. What? But something I was thinking about too, though. After that meal, the meal was so light and airy. I was gonna say, when the kids wake up, depending, go get some either Krispy Kreme or some insomnia.
Surprise!
Well, thank you.
That's a good surprise.
It is.
Show the fam and tell them why it's a good surprise. You gonna show them that?
It's a list.
That's a receipt.
It's a list. Yeah. I'll be in front.
Oh, I was gonna say.
There's some shirts. Whole lot of shirts.
Whole lot of. He only gonna show y'all the one on top because obviously y'all gonna see him. What did it say? Period. Period. Comment down below right now if that's babe. Period. Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So what you tell me you give me uniforms or something?
No. That's beyond you. We're not gonna, like you embarrassed me the other day in front of the fam. I'm not gonna embarrass you in front of the fam. We love you guys. Thanks for joining us.
I got a tear about to come. I think it was from the shirts, not the hot sauce.
Oh. I'm weak. Now you want to be quiet.
We're gonna see y'all back, fam. Oh.
Tell the fam, see you later.
Say hasta luego.
We're gonna call y'all back.
said bye-bye.